What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today I have a video review of this neat laptop desk that I picked up, and I'm really liking it because it looks futuristic and minimalist, and it's also going to serve some extra purposes besides a laptop desk. But most importantly, it's going to help with posture. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. So here we are again with another video, and today I have this laptop desk by Executive Office Solutions, and I'm going to go ahead and post a link of this in the description below. This here is a laptop desk that can have several different purposes. We have some instructions and we've got some hardware here, but the main thing that we have going on here is the desk, and it is awesome because we have these legs here that are aluminum with some plastic pieces here. And we have these buttons that we just press in, and they allow us to adjust the angle of these legs and lock them in place to allow for all the different positions your creative mind can think of. Adjustments are super easy. We have 3 joints on each leg, and this is one of the joints here. Each portion of the leg can be adjusted at 15-degree intervals by just pressing in this button here, and then we just rotate the leg. And when it gets to a 15-degree interval, it locks in place just like that. The button pops out. The thing I love about these adjustable devices is that it really tricks your mind into solving puzzles. So here we are, we're practicing, and really that's what it's going to take to figure out the possibilities of this laptop stand, but it's well worth it. Posture is a huge concern for me, and before I had the laptop stand, I was hunched over, I was looking down, I had neck and back pain, but with the laptop stand, my screen was eye level, and doing work was a lot easier, and this was just overall a lot better. One of the other places I wanted to try this was on a couch or a bed, so we're gonna go ahead and give this a try. I could tell you, it does feel a little wobbly. I don't think it's the laptop stand, it's just, you know, what we're sitting on. I can actually try to do some stuff here, and when I rest my arms on this, it's going to make it more stable. The other thing I love about this laptop desk is that it has multiple purposes. Here I'm using it as a shelf for several items and putting my keyboard underneath for storage. But I wanted to move on to the cons of this. I'm going to test this long term, but one of the things I wanted to point out is that when pushing on this edge here, the leg on that side seems to come up a little, and when pushing on the other edge here, this one doesn't. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is this locking mechanism here. All the other locking mechanisms seem to work properly, but when folding this one up here, it doesn't seem to engage completely. I've got it all the way up and it seems locked in place, but the button isn't popping out. So something's either not lined completely or this button's being held up. The last con I have here is related to this surface. And really, I would have preferred to have a mat or a pad on here, something black to kind of go with the black and chrome. And really that would be just to give this more grip so it doesn't slide so easily, and also to protect the underside of my Chromebook. I also would like to see some felt here, or again, some padding, just because when you have this platform tilted at an angle, the Chromebook's gonna rest along this edge. And if it slides around a little bit just from you using it, I'd just be concerned that my Chromebook would get scratched up a little bit. I'm not sure how to address this part, but I have some leftover Velcro. I always keep my Velcro. Keep the extra pieces from all your packaging from other products so you can use for other products. But I've got the soft side here, and ideally what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some along the edge so that if my laptop does slide back and forth a little bit, I protect the finish of it. So that is pretty much it for this video today. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, make sure you leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, leave those below. And if you can, support me, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll see my future videos coming out and it'll support the channel. So until next time, Leon checking out.